In this video, I'm going to show you how to make free calls from PC to any phone number. So firstly, open any web browser, then type poptox.com and press enter. Now you will see this site will open. Make free VoIP phones calls in 3 steps. Firstly, go to this address, enter phone number and click on call. So select any country where you want to call, then dial your number, then call. For internet calls from PC to mobile, POP Talks lets you call for free to any phone number around the world using internet. And since POP Talks is a web browser based VoIP communication platform that doesn't require a download to make free calls. Simply open your web browser on your PC or Mac, and if you are online, you can start making free calls to mobile and landline phones. Keep in mind that you have the limit the number of calls that are possible in a single day. So that's it, and give the feedback how this service is working. Thanks for watching.